How to fix your Wi-Fi speed too slow on your Android device. So here are several potential causes and corresponding fixes that help you to improve your Wi-Fi speed. So first of all, check your internet speed. And if the test shows low speed, the issue might be with your Wi-Fi router or your ISP, not just your Android device. And you can restart your router and modem. Also, you can restart your Android device, which can also resolve minor network-related issues. Simple press and hold on the power button, and just go and select your reboot or restart option. Also, you can navigate to your setting and go for your Wi-Fi. And you have to select your Wi-Fi network here and tap on the forget option. And then you can reconnect by selecting the network again, entering the password and checking if the speed improves or not. And just go back. And after that, you can go for the connection and sharing. And here on your connection and sharing, you can reset your Wi-Fi mobile network. So you have to just go for the reset setting here and confirm your password. And just go for the OK option. That's it. Now you will be able to fix your issue. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.